Hi there. Somebody asked me to show, or at least show how the van sounds, the Chevy van, if it's started. I have to say the engine is actually already warmed up, so it's not exactly how it should be, but this is a warm start of a Chevy van G20. So there you go. Can also go on the outside to listen. So inside it's pretty quiet, right? I'll give some. So this is inside, and let's see the outside. There you go. I'll put some. I'll do it like this. All right, there you go.